Morning guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll consider how to use WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. First of all, on Google search for WhatsApp web. Yes, from the search result go to the WhatsApp website. Here a QR code will be displayed. Now all you need to do is open your WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Yes, go to settings. Here you have to select WhatsApp web. Click plus sign for adding a new device. Now, using this interface, scan the QR code displayed on your PC. That's all, you are successfully able to add your WhatsApp on your PC. All functionalities on your mobile WhatsApp will be available on this browser also. All you need to ensure is that your mobile should be connected to internet. That's all. So guys, that's all in this video. In this video we have seen how to use WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Write your opinion suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.